Hi, my name is Marcus Cruz for JoshuaCasper.com, and this is Aparillo by Sugar Bytes, the cinematic machine. Sugar Bytes has included what they're calling the orbiter. I find it best to imagine it as a big XY pad, but where an XY pad will modulate two parameters at once on two axes, the orbiter will modulate 15 parameters at once in any direction you choose. It's a giant canvas of self-discovery that you can modulate in real time. Simply grab the red orb, move it across the different points on the canvas. Each of these objects represents a specific part of the synthesizer. If you prefer, you can record your modulation to a buffer, or set it to a key mode and set a unique position per key on the piano. If you're feeling overwhelmed, just hit the randomization buttons for instant modulation madness. This preset is called Abstract Art Ray. First, let's initialize the canvas, named the Cosmos by Sugar Bytes. I'm going to randomize the location and modulation parameters of each of the objects on the Cosmos. Now I want to record my modulation to the internal buffer. Simply hit record and move the red orb. Now let's put it into key mode and randomize the Cosmos again. Press record, followed by a key on the piano, and then move the red orb to the desired location, and repeat. Aparillo is a dual operator FM synth with 3 algorithms and 3 harmonic modes that change the behavior of the ratio. This preset has been designed so that we are only hearing operator 2. Let's blend in operator 1. Currently, both operators are independent of each other, and our harmonic mode allows ratios that produce discordant tones. Algorithm 2 and 3 change the behavior of the two operators and how they modulate one another. The final 2 harmonic modes are a quantized ratio set to mathematically correct values and a Sugar Bytes specially designed harmonic mode, producing only but the best FM ratios. I've initialized the synthesizer. Below each lane we have modulation parameters. We can choose the type of modulation, the amount, and which voices it affects. Aparillo operates in 16-voice unison, and we can choose how to modulate each of these voices. By default, it's set to LFO 1, but I'm going to choose some different sources. Shift is a pitch shifter, which will assign pitch to each of the 16 voices. It can be assigned a user-defined scale, and currently it is being modulated by LFO 1. If you are wondering, these mesmerizing dots represent each of the 16 voices being modulated by our two LFOs, which can be assigned to different parts of the synthesizer. On the right, we have more ways to shape our sound. Form houses a wave shaper that affects either or both the formant or shape of the sine wave. Jitter adds randomness to the wave cycles and is a more interesting way to introduce noise. Brightness affects the FM circuit feedback and can effectively create bright saw-like tones. Let's take a look at the Arpeggiator. It sequences the individual voices rather than notes and gives each voice a decay envelope. Set it to trigger voices via master clock, a threshold that either LFO 1 or 2 must pass. Or a fun collision mode. Voices being modulated via LFO 1 and 2 trigger as they collide with each other. In the effects, let's apply a rhythmic delay, panning and take a quick look at the spatializer. It's effectively a single delay line with 3 time ranges, a pitch effect and a host sync that could be used to create different effects. Thank you all for watching. That concludes my review of Aparillo by Sugar Bytes. Once again, my name is Marcus Cruz on behalf of JoshuaCasper.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up to let us know, and if you would like to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Check out the links below for more information on how to purchase this product.